Welcome students, myself Dr. Ishu Jain from Postgraduate Department of Chemistry, Gujranwala Guru Nanak Khalsa College. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the general introduction of photochemistry and we have discussed the photophysical and photochemical processes, and we have discussed the differences between thermochemical and photochemical reactions, and today we will discuss the laws governing the absorption of light. So whenever light is incident on any medium, homogeneous medium or solution, the intensity of incident light is decreased and hence the medium or the solution absorbs light. So whenever light is incident on a medium or solution, light is absorbed and hence intensity of incident light decreases. So there are two words here, that is pure homogeneous medium or solution. So the Lambert's law deals with the absorption of light by pure homogeneous medium. Or you can say pure liquid, while Beer's law deals with the absorption of light by the solution. So these two laws govern the absorption of light by pure homogeneous medium or solution. Now we will derive the expressions for these two laws one by one. So first is the Lambert's law. Lambert's law was put forward by Lambert, and it states that the decrease in the intensity of incident light, for example, consider this is a pure homogeneous medium. Suppose you incident light of intensity I naught. So here I naught is the intensity of incident light. So when this light travel a distance of x, so obviously when there is absorption of light, the intensity of this incident light will be decreased and some light is absorbed. So after traveling a distance of x, suppose here the intensity of light is I. So I absorbed, that is, what is the amount of light absorbed? That will be equal to I naught minus I. So here this much amount of light is absorbed. So whenever you have to derive an expression for the Lambert's law, we take a small thickness of the pure homogeneous medium. So suppose this is the complete distance x, so we will take a small distance dx and we assume that this small thickness dx decreases the intensity of light by di, small decrease in the intensity of light di. So what is the statement of Lambert's law? This law states that the decrease in the intensity of incident light with the thickness of the absorbing medium, pure homogeneous medium, is directly proportional to the intensity of incident light. So what is the statement? Decrease in the intensity of light. So here negative sign denotes the decrease and di denotes the decrease in the intensity. With the thickness of the absorbing medium, that is dx, with thickness of the absorbing medium is directly proportional to the intensity of incident light. How much intensity of light is incident on this small thickness? That is I. So it is directly proportional to I. That is intensity of the incident light on this small thickness dx. So we can rearrange this. That is minus di upon I is proportional to dx, or you can say di upon I is equal to minus k dx, where k is the absorption coefficient and its value depends on the nature of the medium. Now this is the expression for the small thickness dx. Now to calculate the expression for the complete value, we will integrate this equation. So apply the limits. So consider if x is equal to 0, suppose this thickness is 0. So if this value is 0, so here the amount of light incident on this thickness will be I naught, because no light will be absorbed if thickness is 0. So if x is equal to 0, I will be equal to I naught, and if the value of x is x, then how much light is incident on this small thickness? I. So if x is equal to x, then I is equal to I. So now apply the limits on this equation number 1. Di upon I from I naught to I is equal to k is constant, so 0 to x. So by solving this, it will give you ln I upon I naught is equal to minus kx. Now I upon I naught is equal to e raised to power minus kx, and I is equal to I naught into e raised to power minus kx. So this is the first expression for the Lambert's law in the exponential form. Now to change it to the logarithm to the base 10, we will multiply this equation with 2.303. So it will give you 2.303 log I naught, I upon I naught is equal to minus kx. So log I upon I naught is equal to minus k upon 2.303x. Now this value k upon 2.303, this value is termed as extinction coefficient and is equal to k dash. So k dash is equal to k upon 2.303, and this is the term which is termed as extinction coefficient or absorptivity. This is the term which is termed as extinction coefficient or absorptivity, or you can derive another expression I upon I naught is equal to 10 raised to power minus k dash x, or I is equal to I naught into 10 raised to power minus k dash x. So this is the third expression for the Lambert's law. Now there is a question in the examination which is asked many times, that is, what is the physical significance of extinction coefficient? Physical significance of extinction coefficient, that is k dash. So write the expression for k dash. So by rearranging this equation, k dash is equal to 1 minus 1 upon x log I upon I naught. So to remove the negative sign, we can interchange these two values. So k dash will be equal to 1 upon x log I naught upon I. Now from this equation, suppose log I naught upon I is equal to 1. So what will you get? So if this is the case, k dash will be equal to 1 upon x. So extinction coefficient is the reciprocal of thickness, that is the thickness x, when log I naught upon I is 1. So what does this log I naught upon I is equal to 1 signifies? So log I naught upon I is equal to 1 means log 10 is equal to 1. So I naught upon I is equal to 10, or you can say I is equal to 1 upon 10 into I naught. So what is the physical significance of k dash? K dash is the reciprocal of that thickness of pure homogeneous medium which decreases the intensity of incident light to 1/10 of its original value. So what is the significance of this k dash? K dash is the reciprocal of that thickness of absorbing medium which decreases the intensity of incident light to 1/10 of its original value. This distance x has decreased the intensity of incident light to I, and what is the value of I? 1/10 of I naught. So k dash is the reciprocal of that thickness of absorbing medium which has reduced the intensity of incident light to 1/10 of its original value. So this is a question which is asked every time in the examination in short questions, that is, what is the physical significance of extinction coefficient. So you have to write this expression and you have to write down the definition for that. That is, it is the reciprocal of that thickness of absorbing medium which decreases the intensity of incident light to 1/10 of its original value. Or this question can be asked in the long answer type questions where derive an expression for the Lambert's law and give the physical significance of extinction coefficient. So what is Lambert's law? The decrease in the intensity of incident light with the thickness of the absorbing medium is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident light. So we can derive in this way. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the Beer's law, which deals with the absorption of light by the solution. Thank you.